Good afternoon, everyone. On my previous video, I have given the introduction of economics. I've told you that there are two types of economics, microeconomics and macroeconomics. So today we are going to start with the first chapter of microeconomics, that is introduction to microeconomics. So first of all, I would like to give the introduction of what are the synopses that we will study in this chapter. First is meaning of goods, services, individual resource, meaning of economics, economy, types of economy, economic problems, why economic problems arise, central problem economy, production possibility frontier, positive and normative economy, and the difference between microeconomics and macro. So now I would like to start with the key terms. First is goods. It means physical, tangible object used to satisfy people's wants and needs. It means these are the objects which we cannot see, which we can see, we can touch. Other is services. It means the intangible satisfaction of wants and needs. It means that we cannot touch services. We can just feel it. Other is individual. It means an individual decision making unit. It can be a person or a group like a household, a firm, etc. As the word is very simple, individual means a single person, but we cannot only say a single person. It can be a single firm, it can be a single household. Other resource, it means those goods and services which are used to produce other goods and services, for instance land, labor, tools and machinery, etc. Now resources are those goods and services which help to produce some. Now I would like to give the introduction of economics. Economics is concerned with the study of economic problems that arise because human wants are unlimited and resources to satisfy those wants and limited or scarce, and these scarce resources have an alternative uses. Economics focuses on the rational management of scarce resources in order to maximize economic welfare. Hence, economics is about making choices in the backdrop of scarcity. Now, I would like to explain what is economy. Economy in which people get a living to satisfy their wants through the process of production, consumption, investment and exchange. It means it comprises of four components. First is production, consumption, investment and exchange. Now, what is production? It is defined as creation of utility. It is process in which inputs are transformed to goods or services. It means the way how we can produce. Other is consumption. It is a process by which a good or a service is completely used up. It means whatever we have produced, we have to consume that. Other is investment, part of production which is committed for earning future income. It means we have produced the goods, we have consumed the goods, and the part which we have invested, we can say in the form of money or anything or land or anything, this is used to earn income in our future. Other is exchange. It means a process by which ownership is transferred from seller to buyer for a consideration. It means we are selling goods and services. First of all, what I would like to give the example of this, like farmers are growing crops in their fields. Some they are keeping for their personal use and remaining they are selling it in the market for earning future income. So this mode is known as exchange. In simple words, we can also say that like we are purchasing something from shop. The shopkeeper is giving us the material what we want, and in return we are giving them currency or money. So